Hello, boys and girls. It's Miss Maura again. We're on part 4 of our Summer Detectives program, and it's called Code Breaking. Code Breaking. We're going to break those codes. The first part's called Cryptic Communication, and it says, do you want to know a secret? Speaking or writing in code has been around for centuries. People have different motives for writing and for wanting to send secret messages. Some of those reasons may be criminal. You're a detective, so we need to figure this out. We need to know the different ways that people write messages. And they give you the first one where numbers represent the letters instead of just writing with letters. So you'll look into that. And it says, can you create a short word or sentence using only the letters above and a numbered code? Ask a friend to solve it. You can ask a friend or a family member. This could be fun for everyone. You might want to do it more than once. All right, and part 2 is cryptic communication. It says another common secret code method is called a diagrammatic cipher or the Pigpen code. The code substitutes pattern and symbols for letters. It uses tic-tac-toe boards and 2 X's as shown below. Can you see how the secret message below uses the line shapes that surround each letter and including a dot where needed becomes the message? Meet me after school behind the gym. So they want you to be the person writing the message. It says, how would you write your first and last name? How would it look? Can you see that? How would your first and last name look if you wrote it in the Pigpen code? So have fun doing that. That's kind of exciting. I'd like to see those when you're finished. All right, so now it says we need to put our cryptic communication skills to the test. They give you a scenario here, a scene, and someone used cryptic communication. So we need to check our skills. Pay attention when you're reading that, boys and girls. Make sure you can use a crayon or a pencil, colored pencil to highlight. All right, the next part, it says math detective. Here are those math skills that come in handy. You just solve the problems, your answer becomes your letter, and you figure out the message. When you figure out the message, send it to me. I want to see what you came up with. And the next one kind of gives you code names. These are kind of cool. You could have a new name in code. You go by your letters, first name and last name. Okay, it says, you have been selected to be a secret agent. Using the first letter of your first name and the first letter of your last name, find out what your code name is going to be. So my first name starts with a J, so it would be Fire for my first name. My last name starts with an M, it would be Victor. So my code secret agent name would be Fire Victor. How exciting. So you need to tell me what yours is in my comments. And that would solve and finish up our part 4 of code breaking. I hope you have fun with that. Send me lots of messages, cryptic messages, and see if I can figure them out. Have fun with that, boys and girls. See you soon.